child is but a tender seed, and seeds need fertile soil and timely nourishment to grow into strong and majestic trees. At Cambridge Montessori, Kandivali, of the Ryan International Group of Institutions, we take care to plant the seed of environmental consciousness by nurturing each little seed so that it can grow to its full potential. And at the same time, exist in harmony with one's environment. The first 5 years of a child's life are fundamentally important, as a child's learning as well as social and emotional abilities are mostly shaped during this period. At Cambridge, we focus on creating a playful environment conducive for the children to unleash their creativity and innate skills through an innovative curriculum and child-friendly pedagogy. A wide array of interesting and engaging activities inside as well as outside the class provide a holistic education in environmental education, one of our core domains. The dependence of the child on the environment is reinforced with a wide gamut of engaging and interesting activities towards inculcating eco-friendly habits.
अरे तुम्हें पता है कि पेड़ हमारे लिए बहुत जरूरी है कि तुम धन किसी और तरीके से भी कमा सकते हो, इसे मत काटो.
Role play, show and tell, narration, singing, and field visits are used as effective tools to develop skills and attitudes much needed for the children to understand the relationship between human beings, their culture, and their biophysical world. The Swachh Bharat concept is instilled at this stage itself across all pedagogy, be it during the field visits or even during sports day. Teaching them about the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle is done from this age itself. Segregation of wet and dry garbage is an important lesson for them to learn.
I got a bottle, where does it go? I got a bottle, where does it go? Let's sort out all the trash. I got a plastic, where does it go? I got a plastic, where does it go? Sort out all the trash. I've got an orange peel, where does it go? I've got an orange peel, where does it go? Let's sort out all the trash. It's leftover food, so it will go in the wet bin.
But the most important R is reinforced at regular intervals, and that is refuse. At Cambridge Montessori, we bring a profound sense of realization among our children about the absolute dependence of human beings on environment. Children here develop a sense of gratitude to the environment and learn to develop environment-friendly habits. Cambridge Montessori, an environment-friendly school. Come, experience the joy of learning at Cambridge Montessori, Mumbai.